Welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can fix mobile data not working in your iPhone. So guys, if you're using your mobile data and you notice that it's not working at all and you don't know what to do, then this video is for you. So guys, just go ahead and open settings first. So we will try to reset the whole device, and in this way your cellular data or your mobile data will start working again. So once you're in your settings, just go ahead and tap on General and scroll down till you find this transfer or reset iPhone option. Just go ahead and tap there and you can just tap on reset. And once you do so, it will automatically restart your iPhone and bring it back to its factory settings. Not worry guys, it will not erase your data, it will just reset the device, and that can fix the problem of mobile data not working. So guys, that's how you fix mobile data not working in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.